When it comes to day trading, most people nowadays are trading prop firm accounts, and some people are doing a blend of both. I'm one of those people that I have 56 funded accounts across 10 different prop firms. I also have a live account that I leverage pretty hard. So today, I want to show you the exact setups that are specific to just my live account and my 150K prop firm accounts. And I keep these 100% separate from my QuantCrawler platform. And the reason I do this is just simply for simplicity and tracking purposes. The only thing I have set up on QuantCrawler is Ghost to send signals to these, and I actually run the copy trading through TradeSinker because my funded accounts with 56 of them is so large. My trade copier that I built does have some latency, and I don't want to have with 70 accounts connected the different fill ratios and things with latency. So I'm going to show you TradeSinker. I'm going to show you the strategy that I'm using, and I'm going to show you my broker statements. So this right here is my live account on Tradeovate. You can see here, and I'll show you this in a better breakdown here in a second. My live account balance is now at $22,362. Today we're up $817. That's real dollars, real money, not prop firm. Then these ones here, I have some 150K prop firm accounts. I have 2 on Lucid. I have 10 on Top One Futures. And the only reason I actually have this many on Top One Futures is they were running a buy one, get one. And I honestly bought the wrong accounts. I meant to buy the 50Ks so they could be part of my fleet. And I just wasn't even looking, clicking through, apparently picked the 150s. And so now we're just dealing with it. But these basically all have to make $9,000. They're all about 50% of the way there, and they've all been using QuantCrawler signals. I haven't used any other strategy on any of these accounts. All of them are positive, and we're chipping away here over the last 2 weeks to get to this balance. Some of these I was playing with strategies, so they're not all following the exact same balances. These used to be my leads on my prop firm accounts because I took 150K accounts and then had 50K followers below it just to make sure if some hit daily drawdown, you get the point. I ran bigger accounts to be my lead and then fan out to all my smaller accounts just to make sure I always had the availability for an order to go through. So this right here is the TradeSinker overview of the account balances that are higher tiered at 150K. Now, this right here is my live account. You can see this is the account I've shown in every single live account video that I've done. If you want to go back and look at it, 1553495, that is in Tradeovate. Today, the 817, that matches what we just saw in TradeSinker. And then you can also see here for this month from July 1 to July 15, my total P&L is $5,121.42. We have a profitable trades rate or a win rate of 81.48%. We have taken some losses, but the wins are far outweighing this. So the thing I will show you guys here is I'll refresh the screen. You can see here it's loading in. I'm over here. I'll go to my reports. I'm going to keep talking. So this is a real legitimate breakdown of the account. This isn't a fabricated screenshot. This is my live real account. We're up $5,100 in the month of July. And this is exactly how I've done it. So when you get access to the QuantCrawler signals preset, I've back tested all this stuff over the last 15 months using a 70-30 walk forward. I've explained that a bunch of times, so I won't bore you guys with explaining it again because you're like, hey, we get the point. But this essentially is the strategy on NQ that I'm running that links to the live account in the 150Ks. So you can see right here this morning, this one fired a short, and it's just looking for quick wins. The losses, this actually is running a negative RR. So it's looking for everything to align and then a very quick take profit just to stack the win and move on. So right here, I will zoom in a little bit. There's a green dot right here. You can see it hit this bracket. There's another green dot right here. That short hit as well. This one right here, that long hit, and this long hit right here on Tuesday. And then unfortunately, this long lost. This was on Sunday to start the week, but we had an opening win followed straight into a loss. And then we had the rest of the week. We're 5 for 6 so far this week alone. The next strategy that I'm running outside of NQ is if you come over here to the MNQ 4-minute preset, it's right here in the dropdown. You want to be MNQ 4-minute on the 4-minute time frame, and of course on the MNQ ticker. And I trade 10 contracts on this, so you can see this morning this one went. That was a hit. We were on a dry spell. It was 24 plus hours before trades took, but you can then see here to start the week, It fired here. That was a win. Fired here. Another win right here on one candle. And then right here. So this one hasn't lost this week. It's 5 for 5, 100% win rate. And last week looked pretty good as well. If we go back over the last 365 days on this back test, you can see right here, it is inflated because it's 10 contracts. So if you were to break this down to one contract, it's a lot more manageable on prop firm accounts. But since this is on my live, over the last 365 days, P&L is 104,000, $8,500 drawdown for an 77% win rate and a profit factor of 1.684. If we then go and look at this in just the time frame of July 1 to July 15, the current month, you can see here in this month so far, total P&L 6,820 and 16 cents for a max drawdown of 1,986 for a almost 94% win rate and a profit factor of 7.165. So the month of July is treating the 4-minute MNQ preset very well. This is not normal. It's not typical. It is not expected to continue, honestly. But when we have a 77% win rate over 365 days, this isn't uncommon to have a stretch like this, but it is not typical. I will say that. Don't come in with the expectation that you're going to be able to blast 10 contracts and repeat these same results the remainder of July or even into August. I'm just being transparent and honest with you. This right now is a very hot run for this preset. It's just working out really well for me at this point. So, running those two strategies alone, those are the only two strategies that run to my live account. They are direct, they're the only ones in there, and they are running again the larger 150K accounts right here on Lucid and Top One Futures. And it also is feeding my live account. So, that is the two strategy setup that is feeding this and basically enabling me so far for the month to be up $5,100 on my live account.